Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this episode, I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how you can change shipping address on Depop. So if you want to change your shipping address on Depop, it's quite complicated process. Unfortunately, there's no such direct way of changing your shipping address. So basically, I'm gonna show you or provide you with an alternative solution on what you can do it. So first of all, you need to select a random item. You do not need to buy it, just you need to add it to your bag and just proceed on with the checkout process. Make sure to stick with us right till the end. So I'm gonna select a random product for now. Again, select the particular item. After you're done checking out the product, you just need to select your size and all that and just go ahead and add on to your bag, or you can just go ahead and tap on buy now. After the product has already been added to your bag, or you just tap on the buy now button, that's going to direct you to the checkout page where you need to go ahead and enter in your billing address. So basically, you can see in my case I've not added any sort of billing address. So what happened is that if you want to change your billing address, you can just go ahead and tap on add new from the top, and after that you can just simply add an address. Basically how you can change shipping address on Depop. That is all for the video. I hope it was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.